Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best deer feeders that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Wild Game Innovations Tripod Deer Feeder. This weather-resistant tripod deer feeder from Wild Game Innovations is easy to set up and ready to begin operation in about 15 minutes. Weighing in at 37 pounds, it's not difficult to manage, yet it holds 30 gallons of feed. Set the timer for up to 4 daily feeding times, and select a duration of 5, 10, 15, or 20 seconds, depending on how much feed is needed. The digital power control unit operates on a 6-volt battery. Use corn or protein pellets in the durable poly barrel. A built-in funnel disperses the feed accurately. The spinner plate that broadcasts the feed is fashioned from galvanized steel, and the 3 legs are made of heavy-duty coated metal. Moving on at number 4, we have Banks Outdoors Gravity-Fed Deer and Game Feeders. Create an optimal feeding situation for adult deer by mounting this gravity feeder from Banks Outdoors on a post at about 4 to 5 feet off the ground. The design of the feeder set on a single post does not interfere with buck's antlers as tripod feeders sometimes do. Made from thick and durable polyethylene plastic, the green feeder blends in with outdoor foliage. It's also weathertight to keep deer feed dry. The hopper holds 150 pounds of corn or protein feed for deer, and it loads from the top. With a secure lid and locking mechanism, this feeder is also raccoon-proof. Gravity allows the feed to descend into the feeding ports, so there's no need for batteries, timers, or digital programming. Users can manage the flow of feed by adjusting the ports, allowing more or less feed to discharge from the hopper. At number 3, we have Redneck Outdoors TPost Gravity Feeder. This deer feeder from Redneck uses gravity to feed the deer from a single 4-inch by 5-inch feeding port. The hopper holds 80 pounds of feed and features a secure lid that's easy to remove for filling from the top. Mount this feeder on a fencing T-post, not included, using the V-groove on the back. Hardware and mounting bolts are included. Alternatively, it attaches to a tree via the concave back and has grooves for ratchet straps. The durable polyethylene hopper is weather-resistant. Its height from the top of the hopper to the bottom of the feeding tube is adjustable from 34 inches to 60 inches. At number 2, we have Multidirectional Hanging Feeder. The simple design of this automatic feeder from Moultrie allows users to hang it by the handle on a hook or a tree limb. It's portable and easy to set up and program for feeding times and durations. Program the timer for up to 6 feedings per day. Select the duration for dispensing food, choosing an interval from 1 to 20 seconds. A spinner broadcasts the feed, and the anti-clog technology makes automatic adjustments for different types of feed. The bucket and lid are made from metal, and the spinner and housing are plastic. Powered by a 6-volt battery, the spinner casts feed in a narrow 30-degree path. This pattern facilitates attracting deer along a trail or into a food plot. And finally at number 1. Moultrie Pro Magnum Deer Feeder Kit. This deluxe deer feeder kit from Moultrie includes durable, high-quality moving parts and technology to outfit an automatic deer feeder. With an all-metal housing, a metal spinner plate, and a built-in varmint guard, the kit is built to last. The digital timer allows users to program feeding times up to 6 times per day, and the spinner broadcasts feed for programmed intervals from 1 to 20 seconds. The large LCD screen makes it easy to set the times and durations for dispensing food. Use a 6-volt battery, not included, or 2 6-volt batteries for extended life. For optimal convenience, the kit includes a built-in feed level indicator, an external power port, and solar panel connectors. An optional solar panel is sold separately. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.